COMET is the next generation solution for investigation management, root cause analysis, and AI data-driven risk analysis, setting a new standard in failure prevention. By integrating powerful software tools with unrivaled domain expertise, we help organizations reveal and resolve the past, present, and future risks within their businesses. Designed to provide organizational assurance, COMET replaces outdated, earlier-gen tools like the 5 Whys, ensuring you get to the real root causes of your problems before they escalate. Developed by industry experts with over 400 years of investigative experience, COMET has been helping organizations enhance safety, efficiency, and compliance since 2012. Engineered to be industry agnostic, it integrates seamlessly with a range of EHS enterprise systems, providing a structured, data-driven approach to failure prevention management. Unlike other methods, COMET goes deeper. Its powerful analytics uncover systemic failures that drive recurring issues, helping you prioritize preventive actions, stop repeat failures, and improve performance. These insights are brought to life through cleverly designed Power BI dashboards and live support from COMET Companion, your on-demand chatbot trained on COMET's expertise. COMET offers powerful capabilities, collectively delivering true root cause learning for any organizational incident or non-conformance, but with the scalability to reveal accurate causation, irrespective of the size or consequence of the event. COMET, reveal and resolve risk within your business.